Is your school spending too much time, money, and resources on separate technologies like PA, video intercom, bells, mass alerts, access control, surveillance, and applications that don't work together? Juggling between these outdated and different systems could be a nightmare. Don't get stuck with the status quo. Your schools deserve better. Experience Quicklert, where we reimagined one single, intelligent platform. Tools, applications, devices, all designed to work together for your schools. Delivering incredible capabilities from the classroom to the hallway, from day-to-day operations to emergencies. Quicklert is the new standard of technologies for safe, connected schools. To learn more, visit quicklert.com.